let's discuss wire sizing for motor applications. You're asking about wiring a return fan requiring 480 volts 3-phase protected by a 60 amp breaker, and questioning how a number 10 wire could be code compliant. Your observation about number 10 wire typically being rated for 35 amps at 75 degrees Celsius is correct. Number 10 THHN copper wire is typically rated for 30 amps at 75 degrees Celsius. In most applications, a 60 amp circuit would indeed require a larger wire, typically a minimum of number 6 THHN copper wire to handle the current safely. However, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, makes specific allowances for motor circuits. These allowances recognize the unique characteristics of motors, particularly their high inrush current during startup. While the running current of a motor might be significantly lower, the initial surge can be several times higher. Therefore, motor circuit conductors are sized based on the motor's full load current, or FLAW, as listed on the motor's nameplate, and not necessarily the breaker size. For a 20 horsepower motor operating at 480 volts, 3-phase, the NEC permits the use of number 10 THHN copper wire, even though it might seem undersized for a 60 amp breaker. This is because the motor's full load amps might be lower than 60 amps, potentially around 34 amps depending on the motor's efficiency. The code accounts for the motor's starting current through other protective devices like fuses or overload relays. These devices are designed to handle the inrush current for a short period without tripping, while still protecting the motor from sustained overloads. The 60 amp breaker serves primarily as short circuit and ground fault protection for the circuit conductors. The overload relays, which are typically part of the motor starter, are responsible for protecting the motor itself from overcurrent conditions that could cause it to overheat and fail. Therefore, the apparent discrepancy arises because the wire size is determined by the motor's full load amps, while the breaker size is chosen to provide short circuit and ground fault protection for the branch circuit. The NEC tables such as 430.250 help determine the full load amperage for 3-phase alternating current motors. Other factors might also influence the specific wire size and overcurrent protection required, so consulting the relevant sections of the NEC is always recommended to ensure code compliance and safe installation.